So, did anybody have any problems with this week's assignment?
No, I thought it was fairly easy. We'll see how we do on the exam. There's only 10 questions.
10 questions?
That's good. I had a little procedure done on my back tonight, and I'm having a terrible time sitting here.
Oh.
They put 2 wires in my back.
Oh.
And I have this little device that's supposed to help block the sciatic pain that I have that goes down my leg. But by putting 2 needles in a wire about that long in my back, 2 of them, my back's really sore.
Ow.
So I'm ready to lay flat. Well, not on my back. I'll be on my side.
Did they kill the nerve? Is that what they did?
They've already done that, but after 6 months, they grow back. So this is supposed to, there's a wire and I have a device that I turn on. It's supposed to block the pain signal.
Oh.
But right now, because of the procedure, I don't have any pain in my hip and my leg, but I have a lot of pain in my back. So we just traded one pain for the other for a couple days.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Jeez.
But I'll let you know how it
That's
goes.
rough.
It'll be exciting if it really stops the pain. So a couple days, it'll be good. But right now, it's just a little uncomfortable. So I'm glad there's only 10 questions.
Okay, so the correlation coefficient is used to quantify
the direction and strength of the linear relationship.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's
There was
of X and the standard deviation of Y, right?
Measures the strength in a linear relationship between 2 variables. It does not give the strength of a nonlinear relationship, no matter how strong. So the correlation measures the strength in the linear relationship between 2 variables.
So the direction and strength of a linear relationship.
Yep.
So if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, doesn't the other one increase as well?
I thought it
I
decreased.
thought on a positive.
It's yeah, the negative goes downward. It starts up high and goes down.
So when one variable increases,
It actually said this.
where are you looking? Where are you finding that?
I'm actually looking at the assignment after the Excel instructions. It's kind of like the summary, answer the following questions. And then at the very end, was it at the very end? Hold on, I was looking at some of the questions because it said, when I was looking at the, I'm sorry, I'm scatterbrained. When R is negative, X increases and Y will decrease. This represents a negative association. And that is, you know, it had the 9, in the lesson it had the 9 figures. So if you scroll down, if you're in the lesson, it has the 9 figures. And it shows it going down, and it gives the different R values. And then it says, you know, if R is positive and X increases, what do you expect to have happen? And so it shows you the different maps. So if the correlation effective is negative, when one variable increases, but it was somewhere else too, so let me.
So if it's positive, it says it increases when when one variable increases, one variable tends to lead to an increase. Oh, that's asking for negative, so,
Right, if the correlation coefficient is negative, when one variable increases,
It's like when
and that's when it
is
says when
negative.
R is negative, if the X increases, then the Y decreases.
Yes.
So the other variable tends to decrease.
okay, so the other variable okay.
And then 5, the effect of an outlier on the correlation coefficient is not significant. That is false. It is significant.
False. Yep.
Well, faithful.
Oh, I should have left Old Faithful in there when I did my practice.
Faithful.
Oh, I gotta find Old Faithful.
Oh, there's a lot of numbers here.
Dang, I'm still going.
Uh-huh.
Here we go.
I
270.
gotta make it so I can edit it. It won't let me.
So Jeremy, which sport are you referring? Basketball, volleyball.
Oh, are you talking to me, Lydia?
What are you reffing?
Oh, I'm reffing basketball. I ref basketball. So, but it's tournaments right now, so it's like
Okay.
it gets crazy, and then no one wants to ref it because like here everybody thinks they're going for like an NBA championship, so it's horrible.
So I have a
So another
question.
thing they're going to.
Go ahead.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Well, I was just looking at my scatter plot, which is not updating when I put new data in. I don't know why. I think the numbers are right, but is anybody else having that
Do
problem?
we only first columns, right? The X and the Y?
X and the Y, just the first two, correct. So your R is like 0.901.
Yeah.
Yeah,
My
0.90.
scatter plot didn't update from when I was using it before. Did you guys having that issue, or do you need to do that manually? How is?
No, you might just go out and go back into it.
I've done that like 3 times tonight during my
You went back
quiz.
and like re-downloaded it or whatever.
Yeah, did you re-download it?
I didn't re-download it this time, but I had to do that last week. Irritating.
High
Okay, so,
confidence level?
okay, so input your correlation coefficient, which is what you said it's, right?
Wait,
Which
Yep.
one is it?
0.901.
Yeah, question
Oh, there it
6?
is. R. 0.901. R.
Yep, it's R.
Err.
So this I can't help you with. What is the direction and strength between weight and duration? Oh, wait a second. Wait.
So it's going up. So it's positive.
Can you show me your screen
In here.
so I can see what your scatter plot looks like?
Yeah, let me find it again.
Oh, okay. Yeah, mine looks like that. Then I guess it did update. Okay, thank you. So it's positive and
Strong.
Strong, because you can still see the line.
R is 0.9, right? Wouldn't that be like, is that what we were looking at?
And
would you say that was
it
strong
needs 3
or
decimal places.
moderate? Let's see. So it's pretty much in a straight line. That would mean that it's strong, right? Just by
Yes.
looking at it without looking at the numbers?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Would you say that that's positive and strong then?
I mean, it still looks like almost like there's two, like a division, because in the middle there you have like a little break. But I think it's still strong.
Otherwise, if it were weak, it would have a bunch of dots that were more
Lower.
spread apart. So positive and strong, I think. Okay. So on 8, it says match the scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. So would 4 be R is
-1.
less than 1?
-1, yeah.
-1. And then +1 would be 1.
The 1, yep.
So I'm not going in
Zero?
order, sorry. Should we
Oh.
do? R equals 0.95.
I think that's number
Is 5?
2.
Oh, 2?
You think?
I do, I think that it's number 2. And then
Number 2.
R is -1 would be 4. Is that right?
Yeah, I have 3, 4, 6, 1, 5, 2.
Wait. You have. Oh, I was going down the. So R equals 0.95 is number 2.
Right, that's what I think.
And then R equals 1 is number 1.
Yeah, but what's R equals 0? Why do you think it's 6, Lydia? I think it maybe is
I think it's 3.
3.
I think it's
yeah.
3.
Okay, good.
It's 3.
On which one?
R
Okay.
equals 0.
The first one, R.
And R
then
equals
R-
-0.95. Is that, did you guys put 5 on that one, or?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what.
So what number does that leave? 1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5.
So I got from the top, I have 3, and then 4, 6, 1, 5, 2.
Hmm.
I have 3,
Whoa,
4,
I don't
5,
have that.
1, 2.
You have number 0.95 is 3? Because I have 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 6.
And
Are
I have
our numbers the same?
Is everybody's numbers the same? Like
My first
R
one was
equals
R.
0.
Yeah.
Oh, so my
have
first
3.
R, I have R, my first is R equals 0.95.
yeah, so
Oh, goodness.
And then my second one is R equals 1.
-1.
And then, oh, see, they're all different.
Whoa.
Because my third one is R equals -0.95.
Okay, let's
Am I-
start at the beginning then.
Yeah, because
So
my
what
fourth
are-
one is R equals 0.
But I wonder if everybody's scatter plots are different too.
Well, you would think they'd have to do this together, that they would be the same.
Are you guys?
No, scatter plot should be the same.
Right.
Let me see.
My first scatter plot, number 1,
Yeah.
is a straight line going up.
Yep.
3,
Yep.
4. Okay, yeah,
And I
low.
have that as R equals 1.
Yes, they're all, those are the same. It's just they're mixed up. So R
Okay.
equals 0, 3. So does everybody
It's
have R
3.
equals 0 is 3?
Yep, I do.
Yeah.
Yes,
Equals -1 is 4.
Right.
correct.
R equals -0.6 is 6.
It's 6.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
R equals 1.
Right.
Yes,
R equals -95.95.
it's 5.
Right.
R equals 0.95 is 2.
Right. Awesome.
Correct.
That was rude.
That was weird.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's weird.
Okay, so the coefficient. Let me get back
We got the
there.
math one. And what do we want?
The coefficient.
Right, are we doing the scores
I'm
and,
doing, because we have male and female, so
I don't think it matters.
what are we doing?
We're doing
Math efficacy, let's
Is
see.
the
the score
score,
versus the confidence. So the first one score regardless if it's male or female against,
That's the score and the confidence rating.
right.
So it doesn't matter how you put them in. Make sure you delete your other numbers though, because those were a lot. You're going to be left over with.
Yep, there's a whole bunch below.
This has a lot. So,
Yeah, but not as much as the other.
It doesn't matter how you put them in, does it? I do score first in confidence rating mean.
yeah,
It just changes the X and Y.
Does it want to know men or women? I forgot. Let me see.
It didn't say.
doesn't say.
Oh, okay.
so for R, I have 0.728.
Yep.
0.728 you got low? That's what I got.
Yep.
No, not me.
that's
Mine
right.
changed for some reason. I was doing what? Let me erase all my numbers.
Would you say that the direction is positive and weak since they're more spread out?
They are very spread out.
It would be positive and weak then, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Cheryl, did you get yours to work?
No, hang on.
Is that all the questions today? Holy cow.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
Super fast.
that's awesome.
Guys, how'd you guys do on the last test?
I did good.
Pretty
I
good.
think we all did about the same, between 85 and 86.
The last one is not positive and weak.
Oh.
Oh, crap.
Everything else we got right, but the last one's not positive and weak.
Got to be positive and strong then.
Is it half a meeting? My thing is not changing. It's kind of what you were going through. It's R is still the same. It hasn't changed at all. Let me close it.
Everything first?
I did. So I'm going to say don't save. And let's see. I'll pull it back up. Because that's really cruddy. Sorry.
Would it be positive and strong then?
It's
I'm
the only
not
thing
gonna
it can
submit it.
be.
It's
I
definitely,
can't say it yet. Well, if it's going up and it's not positive, because I haven't seen it yet, but if it's going in the up direction, it has to be the other positive. If it wasn't weak, it has to be strong, because the other two are negative, meaning it would
yeah,
be going
it's
down.
positive and strong.
It's
So
strong.
we got them all right, yeah.
Right.
I don't know why it's strong though. They're pretty spread out.
Yeah.
How do you
I
interpret
guess you
that?
can kind of like see it going into a direction. They're not all over.
Is there a way to check that to the numbers? Is there a correlation to the numbers?
Well, I thought it had to do with the R.
In relation to what?
On whether it's strong or weak.
Oh, if it's closer to the 1. Yeah, okay, so if it's closer to 1, it's stronger. Or if it's closer to
Okay, because it
-1,
is
it's
0.7.
stronger, yeah.
Maybe if it's under 5.5 or something.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't read that part.
I didn't read anything
But
about
it had to
that.
be if it's closer to 0.
Then it's
Then it's
weak.
weak.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, are we done? Should we try
I'm still
the
trying to get it loaded.
It's still harassing Cheryl.
I just finally got it to open back up, so I'm pasting my second column now. 0.728.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it's still going up. And it's really gathered strong up toward the top.
yep, that's what it is.
728. Okay, I think I've saved all my.
Okay, so Cheryl, when do we need to give you our information? Probably today, email it? Our ages? Is it just ages that you need?
I put mine in that sheet you
It was just
sent.
the date, just the age, and there's a shared file, and I've only missing two
There's
rows
three
of
on there.
information. I mean, Utah and
Yeah, that would be me.
Utah and
I forgot about that file. Okay, I'll put those in.
let me finish submitting this.
So Jeremy, she did send a file, and there's a row for
Okay.
Idaho.
Was that for Google Docs or like on a Google Docs?
It is.
Yeah.
Because I have my information, but I'll upload it on like a Word because I wrote it down.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to type mine on.
There it is right there. Yep.
I don't know where
What's it
mine-
under? Sorry, Cheryl.
Collect the data.
Esther sent it.
Esther sent it.
Shared it. Collect the data.
I'm afraid to go anywhere because as soon as I go anywhere else, I get kicked out of our chat and I can't get back. So let's see. Actually, I found my email.
So Lydia, it looks like everybody in Nevada dies late.
I was gonna say
So the
California's got some oldie people. 109.
The tragic thing is, like, all these people, because trying to find, like, the Find Your Gravestone didn't work unless I paid for an account here.
Oh,
Looking and looking,
no.
and then all I was getting is people who died in 2017. I'm just like, ugh.
yeah. I tried doing that for you too. It was frustrating.
Yes. Nobody wants to share.
Wow, 109. Wow.
I know, and
Baby
100.
huh?
So,
Oh, and you're the
so
youngest
we need
one.
Idaho and Utah.
Yep, I'll put mine in.
Yeah, because I have mine written down, but they're just right here.
See, I had to do all the
So-
math too.
You can just put them right in
know.
that spreadsheet. It's an Excel spreadsheet, Jeremy. Do you want to
Okay,
read them
I
off?
see it.
to me and I'll-
Put it up, yeah. And I'll upload them right now.
Okay.
But
Okay, and then I think we have to do like a graph with our numbers. So
Yeah,
on
did you guys
the,
read what he was saying with the project? Like, he doesn't want just like the graphs and interpretation, or I don't know. I need to read it again.
Is this an email
Somebody
he
else-
sent or?
Yeah, it's like the opening for the week.
Oh, okay.
Like, welcome to week 12.
because I thought we all had to submit it, and it's not. It's just this one section that we need to do. I think it gets turned in next week. And we have to write down,
isn't,
you know.
isn't it broadcast
Did
on
you
Saturday?
stop recording, Cheryl?
I'm sorry? No, I haven't stopped recording.
Yeah, let's stop recording.